Hello, and welcome to Construction Safety Week messaging from the Safety Alliance of MCAA, SMACNA, TAUC, and NECA, the National Electrical Contractors Association. My name is Wesley Wheeler, and I am the Executive Director of Safety for NECA, and have been in that role since 2014. Having been involved with safety since the early 1990s, I'm often asked by my superiors, the company owners, the presidents, and the CEO, what is the costliest injury affecting construction employers, including electrical contractors? My answer is always, while electrical arc flashes and electrocutions occur, and they're catastrophic when they do, there are many more individuals and employers affected by everyday strains and sprains, which relate to them being the highest percentage of workers' compensation claims in the construction industry. Soft tissue injuries are far too common in construction, and understanding what contributes to them and what precautions to take are key to working and staying safe on the job. Let's talk about lifting. All too often, an employee may lift something the wrong way. They may try to lift something that is too heavy for one person, or try to move something that is too big and bulky and heavy by themselves. Knowing when to ask for assistance or when there may be a need for mechanical lifting apparatus is another key to preventing injury in our trades. Another key consideration is when employees must do repetitive tasks such as twisting wires, manual digging, turning a screwdriver, or drilling overhead in an unusual position. These actions can often put undue stress on certain muscles, and if they've not been warmed up and stretched before the work begins, the sudden use of twisting may result in a strain that can be painful and debilitating. Learning how to stretch and warm up, especially first thing in the mornings and after an extended rest period such as lunch, can provide huge benefits and precautionary measures to prevent these types of injuries. Other considerations to remember is that many job sites and work locations may have unstable terrain. Wearing proper shoes and work clothes can also prevent slips, trips, and falls that may result in twisting an ankle, bruising a muscle, or wrenching a back, and some other soft tissue injury that can be painful and take days or weeks to recover from. So what are the action items? By participating in company stretch and flex programs, or even doing warm-up exercises yourself, you can prevent many of the debilitating soft tissue injuries that affect so many workers. Reminding others not to overexert themselves or try and lift something that is way too heavy may also prevent your coworkers and others from becoming injured. Taking a moment to review the tasks to be performed and determining the best practices and procedures for repetitive operations, including administrative controls, may limit the time a repetitive task may be worked on. That will go a long way in your safety and the safety of others. And as a benefit, it will also help to reduce workers' compensation claims and allow employers and employees, owners, and others to safely build any and all projects and ensure everyone gets to go home each evening the same way they came to work that morning, healthy and uninjured. In closing, always remember that it's okay to not be okay, and ask for help when you may need someone to talk to. 988 is a toll-free number that will connect you to local resources in your area, or you could check with your employer and insurance plans that also have an employee assistance program, an EAP, that employees can use if they need any help. Please take advantage of these programs if you need them. They're there for you. Thank you for your commitment to working safe. While we may emphasize safety during Construction Safety Week and the OSHA Stand Down to prevent falls in construction, remember that safety is a full-time commitment, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and all 365 days a year. Watch out for your safety and the safety of others. You will be rewarded when you do. Stay safe.